Hi, this is Destiny, and it is still Saturday. It's later on in the evening, and you guys know exactly where I am. I am out in my favorite habitat, nature. I'm enjoying this beautiful Saturday. It feels so good. Today is November the 2nd, 2019. Did I say it right? 2018, November the 2nd, guys. Okay, get it. I know Destiny gets very excited. She gets very emotional. I love communicating. I love talking. I love sharing my experiences, and I like bearing my heart. And I'm sure you probably can tell when the subjects and topics that I'm talking about is resonating with me. It's an experience that I have lived through, or an experience that I have just been in that moment, in those places, because you can tell. I get so excited. I'm like a little kid just jumping around, bouncing. That's my nature. I'm a very excited person. Like I told you before, I used to be a preacher. Oh yes, Destiny preached, man. She stood on the pulpit. She preached. I told you I used to preach that Bible from Genesis all the way through to Revelation. I used to preach that Bible, didn't have to open it up. I knew that Bible. I'm going to tell you, I had some teachers, they really grew me. They grew me. They got that word inside of me, but it was a word that wasn't not for me, and I'm not getting off into that conversation. I'm just sharing you about my part of my personality. I very serious, very center focused. I like getting tasks done. I like doing the things that I need to be doing, and I like to be on time with the time frame that is given to me to complete my assignments. I am very affectionate. I am loving, compassionate. I am a giver. I love giving. I'm just me. That's just who I am. That's who I am. I have not always been this way. Always have been an encourager. Always have been an motivator. But I have not always been at this place that I am now. It's through me traveling through this journey that I've been on. And the last 5 years almost now, it's closing in toward 5 years. And it's like it has not been an easy journey at all. But it's one that I truly learned to embrace and appreciate. And I would not trade the experiences. I would not trade the moments, the testimonies. I would not trade this for anything. And I will not return to the place that I was under the programming of people just using me for whatever their purpose were. But when my divine source, my God, showed me who I am not how people define me. I am not what people define me to be. I have my own life. I have my own plans. I have my own agenda that the Creator has given me. And I have to be my divine, authentic self, which I did not know how to do, because I spent all my life a people pleaser. Oh, yes, I told you guys, you gotta be real. Yes, I don't care how much it put me into a place where I found myself lacking, or I did not take care of me and my needs the way that I needed to, because I was too busy always pouring me out to make sure everyone else had what they needed. And for every moment that they needed something, Destiny was showing up. I got it. I do this. I'm telling you, they had me wrapped up, man. I was wound up. Wound up, man. I thought that was what life was all about. We only can demonstrate and live out only what we know. And that was all that I knew, because that was all that I have been taught, and I have presented myself in those areas because my mom was that way as well. And I think I picked up a lot of my characteristics, personalities, and my patterns from my mom. As I've grown older, I sit back and I catch myself doing things, and I go like, oh, you being your mother. And I could see myself being my mother, and I could see my mother standing before me doing those things, and I was like, oh. But it is what it is. We live through the things that we have to live through. Because everything that we go through is for testimonies, for our testimonies, is for our experiences that we can gain knowledge and a better understanding of how life and how circumstances really supposed to be played out. Now, I live a very good life. I've done a lot of great things, but it was not in the manner that the Creator had mapped out for me to live my life, because I dedicated my life to serving people in the wrong way. And there's nothing wrong with serving people, but when you forget all about you and your life and you put yourself way back on the back burner, like I told you, I used to go for days, sometimes 2 and 3 days, and so busy running around taking care of stuff for people and doing things that I became extremely hungry and fatigued, and I was like, why am I feeling so weak? And it had dawned on me several times this happened. You haven't eaten in days. And there days that I would just keep going and trying to make sure everybody was okay. And there was times that I didn't even sleep. I would go days and days without sleeping. And I realized that I have poured out too much of me. And there was nothing more left of me. I became so drained and exhausted afterwards, going like 2 or 3 days, maybe 4 days at the most. I think I probably did not sleep, couldn't sleep, weren't tired. Just all that I knew. And we only, most of the time, like I said, we only do what we know how to do. We only, a lot of times, we can present ourselves the way that we were taught to be. And that's life. I didn't come out here to roam around and talk about me in a way. I just got out here and I saw this beautiful nature. We're going to take a walk because we're going out into nature. It's windy and it's beautiful. I mean, beautiful. The sun is out. The wind is blowing, and I love the wind. It's a perfect temperature here. Guys, I love you. Let's walk together. I'm just talking about me. I want y'all to really truly know me. And I have not always been my sweet, beautiful, authentic self. Oh, when I said, and I don't need to go back and deal, well, I don't need to go back and tell you all about my past behavior. I've been delivered, set free. No longer allow those anger and personalities to control me. Let's go. I love you guys. I'll be walking. We are walking. I'm out here right now at the pool. This is where I done left those pillows and everything up there, but guys, this is where I am. I think this is beautiful. That's where I was just sitting, and we're gonna walk. And I may be quiet, but we're just walking. And now this is not a bad day for a swim in the pool. Look at this. Get on here. Let's get a landscape. Oh, way around. Ah. Let's do it again. I like that. Okay, here we go. There was the sun up there earlier. Let me see. Beautiful sun. Perfect day for sun gazing. Let's go, we're walking. We're walking. I'm gonna walk you right to the woods. Right now I'm coming out of the pool area, and I'm headed. Okay, getting out here to the woods. Let you look at. You know I love trees, and you know exactly where Destiny is headed. She is headed for her favorite trees. Hi, trees. Hello. How are you today? Guys, you guys are looking beautiful. I see the sun behind the trees. You know I had to go through the trees, right? It's nice out here. Get up in that sky. And that's the sky. Look like snow. Let's turn around. Let's go faster and faster. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay. Let's rewind. Isn't that beautiful? Those are the beautiful clouds. Wow. The Creator knows exactly what He's doing. Look how beautiful He set everything here. See how spinning around? Okay. Let's go. Walking, spinning myself around. I'm just going to get a view of the trees on my way out here. And this is beautiful. I mean, it is a beautiful day. I mean, it's a great day to get out into nature. I'm telling you, this is where your health and healing is. Get out here and get some grounding in. Touching and hugging on some trees. Telling you guys, been telling y'all for a long time, this is it. Nature. It's beautiful. Woo. Ain't nothing like just touching the heart of the earth, feeling the vibration in the trees. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. You know, I would love to see rabbits and squirrels and all that, but I don't. Let's walk in here. It's beautiful out here. Yep. Don't hear any animals. No sound of birds, no sound of the squirrels. Don't hear any of that today. But I'm out here. Yep. That'll be great for some grounding, some with your feet in the sand, but maybe I might. Look at this. The sun is peeping through those trees right there. Look. Who wouldn't want to be out here? I mean, it's peaceful. Get away from all that tiredness and that rush everyday stuff, you know, that we go through. Ain't nothing like being out here. I mean, wow. I'm blown away. And I mean, this is not something new to me. I do this all the time, but every time I come out here, I just get so caught up. I get so into it, and I just like almost take my breath away. Whew. I love it. I'm so in love. I could just put myself right out here. I don't even need anything else, but just come out here and just be me. That's a beautiful tree right there. Wow. I gotta get back over here. I hear something. Hear a few little berries. I would love to see them. Wish I could see him. He's up in this tree. It's a squirrel. I don't know if you've seen him, but it's a squirrel. He's communicating with his friends. On the other end, he's cackling, and the other end, the other squirrels are cackling. I don't know what kind of sound, squeaking or whatever. It's a squirrel. I don't know if you can see him. They are communicating. See, they communicate. Hi, squirrel. I wish you would come down. Oh, I thought it was a bird. I never heard a squirrel make that kind of sound. Oh, no. Hi, squirrel. Hi. I was hoping to get him. Hi. Let me see you. Oh well, goodbye. Goodbye. Talk to you at another time. Bye. I know you said bye. Bye. Oh man, pine trees. That's a pine. Beautiful. He's tall. Okay, just walking home. Oh. Other squirrels out here making noises and sounds. It's amazing that squirrel back there still squeaking and making that noise that he is, but he has other squirrels way over here on the other side, and they're communicating the same sound. And every time this squirrel back here that I just was over at that tree was, I don't know what it's called, cacking or whatever, the other squirrels will start communicating the same thing. It's like they communicating with one another. It's so amazing. So amazing. Yes. Okay. See. I would love to be where there were deers and squirrels and skunks. I mean, everything. I mean, I'm into nature. I would love to just have birds to come up to me and eat out of my hands. The squirrels come up and eat out of my hands and, just land themselves on my shoulders. I mean, I'm all into that. I mean, it is all nature. I would love that. And I just wish that I could have a place where I could really experience all of that, I really would love to experience all of that. Because I love nature sounds. I mean, I love nature sounds. There are times when I come out and the birds just be having themselves a good time, chirping and chirping. They're pretty quiet today. It's just a beautiful stillness, and sometimes, like we have to still ourselves. Nature has a time for rest too, and to be still. And that is what nature is doing today. Look at this. That's beautiful. Okay. You can see the reflection of the trees off of that. Oh, it's the trees, the reflection of the trees. I think that is so beautiful. It's like glitter. That's because money, it follows me. Money follows me everywhere I go. I am a money magnet. I told you I draw all financial blessings right here in my direction. I am a money magnet. That's gold. That's gold. Check it out. You see, you ever seen pure gold? That's pure gold. That's 24 karat gold. Now we know where our money comes from, don't we? Okay. What is a tree? Tree serves many purposes. And one of the purposes is making paper. And making paper, what else we make paper from paper? Money. Oh, money. So you better see that. You better see that 24 karat gold, all that money. You better see it. Look, it's here. Those trees are right there. That's because I'm an out-of-box thinker. I'm always out there on the out of the box. That's the kind of mind that Destiny has. Okay, we're walking. I gotta get past this. Beautiful. It seemed like it turned from gold to silver. Look at the reflection of me. Hi, Destiny. How are you today? It's so good that you showed up in the picture again. Yes. You see me? Hi. Oh, let me see if I can wave. Hi. I can wave. This is destiny. I love you. You love me. And that's the way it's always going to be. You and I always together. Always together. Right, Destiny? Me and you guys, we will always be together. Okay, I'm moving from here. And, oh wow, I love this. Okay, I'm about done. I done walked all the way from one end and I'm about done. But this is just a beautiful time to come out here and spend this time. So guys, I'm gonna end it here. Beautiful day, beautiful Saturday, November the 2nd, 2019. I had a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful walk, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this motivated you, inspired you, encouraged you to get yourself out into nature. Just get out there and talk to the trees, talk to the animals. If you can get your feet into some grounding, some dirt, some sand, some grass, whatever. I mean, touch nature. Touch it and talk to Mother Gaia, the earth, and let her know, hey, you know, my healing is out here. My deliverance, my freedom is out here in you. Then open yourself up and feel nature pouring its energy and its power into you, and allow your frequency to vibrate. It is beautiful. Guys, I love you guys. I just love you just as much as I love nature. On that further note, I'm done. I'm back out here on the front part of the complex now. I just came out of nature. I love you guys. Continue to enjoy your wonderful day. And Destiny will see you again at the next video. And I will talk to you again soon. On that further note, I'm back out here on the highway. Namaste, guys, and have a fantastic rest of the evening.